In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a horizontal line in Microsoft Word. You type 3 hyphens, hit enter to create a quick divider, and Microsoft Word suddenly transforms it into a thick, permanent horizontal line spanning the entire page. But when you try to click it, drag it, or smash backspace to get rid of it, the line completely refuses to budge. Today, we are exposing exactly where Word hides this immortal line and vaporizing it in just 2 clicks. So the reason why you can't delete now or select this line is because it isn't actually a graphic shape or a row of typed dashes. Word's auto format engine secretly converts it, your shortcut, into a dynamic paragraph border. The line doesn't live between your paragraphs, it is literally glued to the bottom of the text block above it. So let's break the link. You can just move your cursor and click directly into the line of text sitting immediately above the stuck horizontal line. I'll make sure your blinking cursor is active here. Then I'll look up your navigation ribbon and make sure that you are on the Home tab, which I am now. Then move your eyes over to the middle of the ribbon inside the paragraph, click on Tools Group, which is right here, and locate the borders icon, which is this one here. It looks like a small 4-pane window grid. Click on the tiny drop-down arrow right next to it to open the formatting layout deck. Then slide your cursor down to the menu and click on No Border, which is located here. In the exact millisecond you click this, the horizontal line will vanish from your document layout entirely. Then, if the line is deeply glitched and still won't disappear, we can deploy a nuclear formatting override. Just highlight the paragraph immediately above the line and to the paragraph directly below it. Then look back at your home ribbon. You could just highlight the piece of text easily like this. Then in the ribbon, you go to Home tab, look in the front group on the left, and then click the Clear All Formatting button. The icon features a capital letter A with a pink or purple eraser block. And there you go, Clear All Formatting, and this will strip away all hidden layout rules and force the line to clear out instantly. And your page structure is now completely stabilized, clean, and stripped of frustrating formatting glitches without ruining your text's layout velocity. And that is it. That's how to delete the big annoying horizontal line in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.